The Diploma CET 2018 question paper, and for the branch Computer Science and Engineering, and the subject is operating system. For that, the question number 97. The system called used to create a new process is. For question number 97, we have four options. In that, the first option is fork, the second option is create, the third option is new, and the fourth option is open. For question number 97, the first option, that is fork, is the right answer. Why? Because consider here the parent process uses the fork system call to create a new process, and that process is called as the child process, and this child process, it is the copy of parent process. So after the fork system call, both parent process and the child process execute the same program but in the separate processes. So for question number 97, the option number 1, that is fork, is the right answer. From the Diploma CET 2018 question paper, and for the branch Computer Science and Engineering, and the subject is operating system. In that, the question number 98. If a system contains a CPU bound processors, then which of the following scheduling algorithm produces maximum efficiency of the CPU? For question number 98, we have four options. In that, the first option is FIFO, the second option is round robin, the third option is priority, and the fourth option is SJF. For question number 98, the fourth option, that is SJF, is the right answer. Why? Because the SJF, it is also called as the shortest job first. It is an algorithm in which the process having the smallest execution time is chosen for the next execution. Okay, in this example, we have four processes, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay, for P1 process, we have execution time is 3 seconds. For P2 process, its execution time is 4 seconds. For P3 process, its execution time is 1 second. For P4 process, its execution time is 5 seconds. According to SJF, whichever the process having the smallest execution time, it is chosen for the next execution. So here the P3 process having the smallest execution time, that is it has 1 second, so it is executed first. Okay, after that the P1 process is executed. After that the P2 process is executed. Lastly the P4 process is executed. Okay, then what is meant by priority based algorithm? In priority based algorithm, the processes are executed based on the priority assigned to it. Okay, in this example we have four processes: P1 process, P2 process, P3 process and the P4 process. Here for P2 process we are giving first priority, and for P4 process we are giving second priority. For P1 process we are given third priority. Similarly for P3 process we are given fourth priority. So according to the priority, the P2 process is executed first. After that the P4 process is executed. After that the P1 process is executed. After that the fourth priority process, that is P3, is executed. Okay, then what is FIFO? In FIFO algorithm, the processes are executed based on the first in and first out algorithm. Okay, here we are given the process P1 as input to the execution. Okay, at first, so it is executed first. After that P2 process is given input to the execution unit, so that the P2 process is executed. Similarly P3 and P4. So here we are given P1 process is given input to the execution unit at first, so it is executed first. After that P2, P3, P4 processes are executed. Move on to round robin. Okay, in round robin algorithm, the processes are executed in a circular manner. Here the P1 process is executed. After that the P2 process is executed. After that the P3 process is executed, and after that the P4 process is executed. These processes are executed in a circular manner. So for question number 98, the fourth option, that is SJF, is the right answer. From the Diploma CET 2018 question paper, and for the branch computer science and engineering, and the subject is operating system. In that, the question number 100, a process is, we have four options. In that, the first option is a program in HLL kept on the disk. The second option is contents of the main memory, and the third option is a job in the secondary memory, and the fourth option is a program in execution. For the question number 100, the option number 4, that is a program in execution, is the right answer. Okay, in operating system, a process is defined as the program in execution. Okay, consider here we are taking a computer program. Whenever we write a computer program, that is in the text file, and that text file is loaded into the main memory so that a CPU can execute that text file. This entire operation is called as the process. So for question number 100, the option number 4, that is a program in execution, is the right answer.